Success Mantra. We shape future.
Thanks for joining us at Success Mantra GTV Nagar. Hi, welcome everyone. It gives me a great pleasure to introduce Ritil Raj, who has cracked CLAT and ALET this year, not only by margin, but yes, by making it into National Law University Bangalore and National Law University Delhi. Ritil Raj was a classroom student at Success Mantra GTV Nagar. So yes, welcome you Ritil Raj. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very happy. Genuinely, I think that my hard work has paid off.
Okay. So can you please give us a brief introduction how you started your journey?
So I first thought about taking CLAT in class 11th, but I didn't start my preparation then. Then I came to 12th. Then I gradually I started preparing for CLAT and ALET, but there might be something lacking in my preparation, so I could not clear the exam in the first attempt. Then I took a drop after 12th, and in my second attempt, I successfully cleared CLAT as well as ALET.
So you have joined us as a classroom program, Ritil. So how badly you needed this?
Like honestly, I needed it. I couldn't have cleared my exam without the guidance, without the faculty and all the study material that Success Mantra provided me, and I'm very thankful to all of you.
Okay. What made you decide to go for law as a career option?
Honestly, all the eminent jurists, legal personalities, all our freedom fighters, they genuinely inspired me to take up this field. And as Shakespeare has rightly said, that there are three noble professions in this world. Firstly, sciences, then literature, and then law. So I opted for the third one, and I'm very happy that I'm in this field and I can make a good career as a lawyer.
Okay. Was it a smooth ride or there were many challenges that you have faced during your preparation?
I won't say it was a very bumpy ride or it was a very smooth ride, but I definitely enjoyed my journey a lot. Of course, there was ups and downs. I did not score equally good in all the mocks, but I persisted. Resilience, persistence, they all paid off, and today I am here in NLU Delhi.
Okay, that's great. So you know that CLAT has changed the pattern, right? And people who are inspiring to go for this examination. So which section did you find it the most difficult for you?
Honestly, I don't have any fortes or any weaknesses. I would say I'm a jack of all trades and master of none. So it varies from question paper to question paper. Sometimes maths is very lengthy, sometimes legal aptitude is tough, sometimes English vocabulary comes from out of the world. So it varies from paper to paper, honestly.
So now you know that the CLAT is something which is based on it's a comprehension based paper. So what is the advice that you would give to our readers or to our viewers regarding this reading habit?
So it is true that CLAT is a reading based exam, and it is mostly very lengthy. So you need to practice a lot of mock tests, and you need to get used to a lot of reading stuff that you would be exposed to, and you don't have to get panicked with that. A lot of stuff that is thrown at you, you have to relax, you have to practice every day, you have to read stuff online, on books, in books, and yes, you can do it.
Okay. GK is something which is infinite, as we all know, right? It is endless. So what was the mechanism to ace GK?
I would say consistency. Do it every day. GK is something that can be asked from anywhere from throughout the year. Like this time, GK questions were like very unexpected. Like when did the Doklam standoff took place? They even asked the date. So you need to be cognizant of each and every event that is happening around you. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So the thing is that could you please tell us, right, how our mentors have really helped you?
Yeah, the mentors really told me the tips and tricks to clear the exam, the right approach with which you can solve a particular section, and they gave me a holistic approach overall. to interpret the exam in a right manner and tackle the situation in the manner which is required.
Okay. Would you like to give some feedback regarding the Success Mantra, the material that we have provided?
First of all, I would say that the magazine which is provided by Success Mantra, namely Pravahini, is genuinely good. You should all read it and you should practice it. You should revise it again and again, because I've seen that questions coming from that magazine. And you should take mocks of Success Mantra. You should seriously consider all the study material they provide, because you never know what question comes from which part of the text they provide you.
Could you please share your schedule for preparation, like how you started your preparation, right? And how many hours have you devoted in your studies?
Honestly, because I took a year off, so I didn't have any pressure of board exams. I was only assigned one job, and that was to prepare for CLAT and ALET. So on daily basis, I studied for around 5-6 hours, but I made sure that I don't spend a day without studying. Like, that is very important. You should not lose touch with this preparation. You should study every day. Like, consistency is very important, and like hours really don't matter that much.
So Riddle, how many mocks have you written?
I have taken more than 100 mocks.
Okay. So during your preparation, how these mocks have benefited you?
Honestly, I feel that taking mocks is the most important part of the preparation, because you should know how an actual battlefield looks like. You have to be in a stimulated environment to create an exam-like feel at your home. You are basically taking exam every day. So when you are in the exam hall, you're just taking another mock. It's not a big deal for you, and surely it is more important than previous mocks, but like, you won't have a big adrenal rush which would panic you, and you would be in a state of peace.
So sometimes there might be some times, right, where you were not scoring well. So were you hopeless in that case?
Honestly, I was hopeless, but when I talked to my seniors who have successfully cracked these exams, they told me the situation is same for all of us. Like, nobody aces mocks in their first attempt. We all start low. Like, I started from like in the range of 60s. It took me like 20 mocks to come up to 70s, then 80s, then 90s. The process is very gradual, but you would surely notice it when you take mocks consistently.
Okay. So the thing is that how Success Mantra has helped you during your preparation?
First of all, I would say that faculty of Success Mantra is really helpful. They tell you the tips and tricks, the right approach to solve the exam, a holistic view of the game. They tell you about the game, the dynamics of the game. They teach you. Coming up to study material, the study material is up to date. It would keep you abreast with all the latest happenings around the globe. And I genuinely feel that their online network is also very good. You can join their Telegram page. You can follow them on Facebook and Instagram. They really post really good stuff there. Yeah, you should check it out.
Okay. So could you please tell us, right, the tips, right, you want to suggest our viewers how to prepare? Because many people are aspiring, right, after listening to you, right, they would be making up their mind to join, or they must be making up their mind to go for the CLAT examination. So any tips or suggestion for them?
I think anyone can crack this exam. No one is more special than you. All that you need is consistency, persistence, hard work, and more than that, you need to believe in yourself to clear this exam. Because when I failed in my first attempt, I was very sad, I was very low, depressed. But then I thought about like my future, and I thought that I have to give it one more shot if I have to make it to the top NLUs. And yes, that was my motivation to clear the exam.
That's great. So once again, I would like to thank you so much, Ritul, for sharing your time, right? And heartiest congratulations on your great success. And it was really a pleasure to have you at this platform. Thank you so much.
Thank you.